how to say I like it, I like that, I like this in Tagalog. First, we divide the sentence into two parts. I like the first part and it the second part. In Tagalog, in Filipino, we usually translate I like to gusto ko. Like is gusto, I refers to me. So when we say I like, we say gusto ko. So we add now the second part, it. So to make it easier and make it shorter to speak I like it in Tagalog, you add pointing. When you say I like it, like for example, I was holding the thing, I was holding this cup and I wanna buy it, I simply say I like it. So that's the first one. Gusto ko ito, I like it. The second one is I like that. So the same as the first sentence, I like it, we divide the sentence into two. Again, I like is gusto ko, and that, when we say that, it is something I am not holding. It can be right in front of me, beside me, or like about it's quite far from my hands. Like if I'm going to say I like that hat, meaning to say I am not holding this hat, it is something, it is put something somewhere, I am not able to touch it. So when I say I like that, the first part is gusto ko, and that is, we say it iyan. So in Tagalog, when we say I like that, we simply say gusto ko iyan. You add pointing to this hat, assuming I'm not holding this one, and it is put like in a distance.